Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Zen Bidet Cascada-350 bidet sprayer. You'll receive the bidet sprayer head, two-way diverter, a female thread adapter, a male thread adapter, two rubber washers, a sprayer hanging bracket, wall mounting hardware, a roll of plumber's tape, an all-metal 5.5 foot flexible hose, and a set of illustrated instructions. The instructions are well written and easy to follow with helpful tips, so be sure to read them completely before beginning installation. The way this bidet sprayer works is that the diverter will connect to your bathroom sink faucet in place of the typical aerator. The hose connection on the right-hand side attaches to the bidet hose and sprayer, while on the bottom you have a faucet aerator so you can continue to use the sink faucet. The lever on the left allows you to switch the water flow between the faucet and the bidet sprayer. First, you'll need to remove your sink's existing aerator by simply twisting it counterclockwise. You'll notice that my faucet aerator has male threads at the end, while the diverter has female threads. So we're going to need to use this adapter to change the connection to an M24x1 male connector, a common standard in the US, to match my original aerator. Make sure to also install the rubber washer with it when threading it into the faucet. Now we can attach the diverter, first making sure the rubber washer inside is present. Since we're using rubber washers at all the connections, the plumber's tape is not expressly necessary, but you can use it if you experience any leaking. Note that some faucets may require use of the other adapter, which converts to fit an F22x1 female connector, another common faucet thread. However, if you need a different size adapter for your sink than the ones included with the kit, reach out to Zen Bidet and they'll either send you the adapter you need or help you find a vendor where you can purchase one. Now we can install the bidet hose. Of the two ends of the hose, the side with the smaller swivel nut will attach to the diverter, while the larger cone-shaped nut attaches to the sprayer head. Be sure to remove the plastic cap on the end by unscrewing it. Again, because there's a rubber washer inside, I won't be using the plumber's tape here. Then on the other end of the hose, remove the plastic cap and attach the sprayer head. With the lever in the up position, when I turn the water on, it will dispense from the faucet on the bottom of the diverter. Moving the lever to the down position cuts off water flow to the aerator and switches it to the bidet hose. To activate the bidet sprayer, press down on the thumb trigger. To stop the flow of water, simply let go of the trigger. There are two ways you can adjust the pressure of the bidet spray. One is to press the trigger only part way rather than fully, for a gentle spray versus a hard spray. The other is to change the water pressure at the tap. You can also adjust the temperature by using the faucet's mixer or by turning on the hot water tap for a more comfortable temperature. If you want to use both the faucet and the sprayer at the same time, you can set the diverter lever in the middle. There are also two spray settings that you can choose from by twisting the nozzle on the sprayer. A powerful jet spray for when you need extra water pressure, and a soft aerated stream for gentle washing and rinsing. Now, having a bidet hose and sprayer hanging out on your toilet tank may not be very convenient. So go ahead and use the hanging bracket by either wall mounting it, or since I have tiled walls and don't want to drill through them, I'll be hanging the bracket off the side of the toilet tank. The bracket sits over the edge of the tank and under the lid, placing it close at hand when seated on the commode. The sprayer is also helpful for cleaning your tub or shower, or even giving your pets or children a bath. It can also be attached to many standard kitchen sink faucets as well, using the same adapters to add a convenient sprayer for washing dishes if your sink doesn't already have one. Wherever you decide to install it, installation takes only a few minutes and doesn't require any plumbing experience or knowledge to complete. Overall, the bidet sprayer, hose, and diverter have great build quality being made of all metal, and even without the plumber's tape, my installation was leak-free. It's easy to use, economical, and hygienic, saving you money on toilet paper and leaving you with a fresh, clean feeling. You can retrofit almost any sink faucet and still be able to wash your hands after washing up. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.